Hello everyone, respected faculties and student. Myself Parmar Smith. I am in second year Bachelor of Physiotherapy from Marwadi University Rajkot. So today is my rubrics to video presentation and subject is microbiology. In microbiology subject, the topic is swine flu influenza A H1N1 virus. So let's start first with introduction. Swine flu is a contagious respiratory disease caused by the influenza A H1N1 virus. It was first identified as a major global health concern in 2009 when it is caused a pandemic, although originally associated with pigs. The virus now spread mainly from person to person through respiratory droplets. Causative agent. The disease is caused by the influenza A H1N1 virus. H1N1 refers to two proteins present on the virus surface. H. Hemagglutinin type A type 1 and neuraminidase type 1. The virus contains RNA as its genetic materials and belongs to Orthomyxoviridae family. History. Swine flu gained worldwide attention during the 2009 pandemic. The first case were reported in Mexico, later spreads globally. The World Health Organization declared a pandemic in June 2009. Since then, H1N1 has become one of the seasonal influenza viruses circulating among humans. Mode of transmission. The virus spread through first droplets released during coughing, sneezing, talking. Second, direct contact with infected individuals. Touching contaminated surfaces and then touching the nose, mouth or eyes. Covered places with poor ventilation increases transmission. Incubation period, usually 1 to 4 days. During this period, an infected person may spread the virus to others. Signs and symptoms. Common symptoms include sudden fever, cough, sore throat, runny or blocked nose, headache, body and muscle aches, fatigue and weakness, chills, nausea, vomiting and diarrhea in some cases. Severe symptoms, difficulty breathing, chest pain, patient's high fever, bluish lips or face, like a blue color lips or face, confusion and dehydration. Risk factors. People at higher risk includes children under 5 years, elderly persons, pregnant women, individuals with asthma, diabetes, heart disease or kidney disease, people with weak immune systems. Diagnosis. Rapid influenza diagnostic tests. These tests can provide results in about 15 to 30 minutes but are less accurate than PCR. Symptoms evaluation. A doctor will also evaluate respiratory symptoms such as high fever, cough, sore throat, body aches and fatigue. Treatment. Antivirals, prescriptions, drugs like oseltamivir, Tamiflu and Jamivir reliance can shorten and the duration of the illness. Supportive care, mild cases can be managed at home with bed rest, plenty fluids and over-the-counter pain relievers like acetaminophen, Tylenol to reduce fever and body aches. Hospitalization. Severe cases may require intravenous fluids, oxygen or mechanical ventilation in a hospital setting. Antiviral drugs. Influenza A H1N1, commonly known as the swine flu, is primarily treated with prescription antiviral medication like Oseltamivir Tamiflu, and Jamamivir Relenza. These drugs are most effective when administered within 48 hours of symptom. One said the shorten the duration of the illness and reduce the risk of severe complication. Prevention and control. Primary prevention, annual vaccination. The most effective defense is getting the early influenza vaccine, which is updated to include circulating H1N1 strains. It is highly recommended for high risk groups, including pregnant women, children over 6 months, the elderly, and healthcare workers. Control and containment. Social distancing. Avoid close contact with individuals who are sick, showing flu-like symptoms or coughing. Stay home when sick. To stop the spread, isolate yourself if you develop flu-like symptoms. Public health importance. Swine flu, influenza A, H1N1 virus remains a major global public health concern because it circulates a seasonal flu strain with potential to cause rapid, widespread outbreaks. Its ability to mutate easily, coupled with high transmissibility, necessitates ongoing surveillance and preventative healthcare strategies. High transmissibility is mutability, severe complications in vulnerable groups. Conclusion. The swine flu, influenza A, H1N1 virus, while responsible for the 2009 global pandemic, now circulates as a regular seasonal flu strain. Virus evaluation. The 2009 H1N1 strain was a unique, unpredictable mixture of gene segments from swine, avian, and human flu viruses. This is mainly first spread in the pigs. Today, it has evaluated in a stable seasonal variant. So this is all about of the swine flu, influenza, H1N1 virus. I hope you can understand. Thank you.